Hello, good afternoon, welcome to Southern Peninsula, Malaysia. This is Johor Bahru. We are at Sutera, and my idea of going out for a nice ride in the weather, hi there, and going out to get something to eat and have a look around Sutera Mall. It's collapsed in an absolute massive downpour. It got me drenched completely through to the skin. So yeah, I'm very wet now, not too happy with life. It's not cold or anything, just wet. So we will make our way down to the mall eventually, but for now, trying to stay out of the rain. So yeah, I'm effing wet, so we'll have a wander around and stay out of the rain as much as we can for a while. So I think it's not going to be in for long, but it's the time we just done. My shoes are squelchy, my trousers are absolutely drenched right through. I did put my Johor sweatshirt top on, so that's already soaking wet. That's in the back of my bike. But yeah, there you go. That's just life. It ain't no big deal. Just it is what it is. So it is lunchtime. It's 2 o'clock. Restaurant Uncle Wang Food Court. Let's go and check it out. Not open. That's similar. Curry house, okay. Chicken. I'm going to have chicken rice. I'm not going to have chicken rice. Hi there. Eat me. Yeah.
Okay. Liver?
Oh yeah.
And
Ipoh famous pork noodle.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. Microphone is in the right place. Nothing worse than when I make a video and I'm completely unaware of this thing. If I put my bag over my shoulder because I'm getting something out of it, I keep talking like you can hear me, which you can't because the microphone is really dependent upon being close to me. It's what they call, is it omnidirectional? Is that right? Anyway, that's what we're doing. So, I'm looking forward to this. Having noodles with pork in a super sweetness. I did see a wonton soup place back there, but they weren't selling wonton soup. They weren't open. Thank you very much. Wow. That's mega, thank you. So I'm at the food hall at Sutera. I think it's called Dr. Wang's, is it? Anyway, I've just gone to this place, that one there, the yellow one, and I've got this pork noodle soup affair, and it looks stunning, and it's huge, by the way. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. First of all, I'm just going to tell it by the smell. It smells amazing. Got things in it that I don't really recognise, but this is the more me going for it anyway. So we got chili here. We're going to put some in anyway. But we're just going to dump it in there. Excuse my language. But we are dumping it in there. It's going to kick my ass. And let's have a look at what we got. So, some of these things I don't even know what they are. I mean, what's that? Anybody know? I don't know. So this is some noodles. Like a whole knot of noodles. Are you supposed to undo them or just eat them as they are? See me, I really don't know anything, do I? Anyway, this is liver. Oh, pork liver. Why don't people like pork? I mean, why don't they like liver? Sorry. I know why people don't like pork, religious reasons. But why don't they like, oh my little liver. I love the taste of liver. So, See, this is what we're out for. When I get back to England, which by the time you see this, I will be, this all stops for a while. I'm not going to rail against English food because I like English food, don't get me wrong. However, I do miss my Malaysian food with all its different options. If I was in England, we don't really have like food halls like what we do now. Starting to get like the bigger supermarkets, not supermarkets, the bigger shopping malls. We'll have food halls, but the food halls just be like all the fast food restaurants around a few other places. There won't be anything like this, where you just got lots of little businesses doing lots of different foods. Very healthy options. It'll just be fast food crap, basically. The price you pay is way more. You know, I can't get food like this in England for, what was this? £12.90. So what's that? £2. £2.20. Something like that. Just don't get it. I know I'm no good at eating chopsticks. And what I see Chinese people do with their noodles is they get the spoon, they get the noodles from the chopsticks, and they'll lower it onto the spoon. And I can do it sometimes, but I just think I'm not good enough at it. It's just too much hassle, frankly. Too much hassle. Wow, good choice. Okay, I'm happy with that. Yeah, so I have no idea what the name of the place is. As you saw, it's all in Chinese. But, sorry, Leo. Not for you, my friend. That lovely porky goodness, not for you. But for me, Right, let's get some of the broth then. Oh my god. See, the weird thing is, it's really perfect in England in the cold winter's day. Because this broth is just like, lovely. Absolutely lovely. And I've got this beautiful porky goodness as well. I'm going to say goodbye. This was delicious, by the way. I'm going to give this, oh my god, I got spat all over my camera. I'm going to give this a solid 8 out of 10. Very, very good. So from what is by now, I'm sure, a very miserable England, but while you're watching this, miserable England, but while I'm making this, Johor, I'd just like to say thank you, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.